Hey everyone, my name is Mikayla Snow and today I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 11 Pro. Okay, so today is September 20th and today is the release date of the new iPhone. So, a couple weeks ago when it was available for pre-order, I headed over to my local Costco because I did purchase my iPhone through the Verizon wireless store inside of Costco because Costco gives you a discount. So I saved 50 bucks, which like on the grand scale of the iPhone price is not a whole lot, but I mean any 50 bucks I can save, I will definitely do that. You know, even if it's like 5 bucks, I will try to save money any ways I can. So here it is. It comes in this bag from Costco. I don't know why. The guy at the Verizon wireless store helped me set it up. He did take off the plastic, which was was devastating. I like looked away for a second and then I looked back. It was sitting in the exact same spot on the desk, but the plastic was gone. It's like, oh no! But here it is. I'm very excited. I got the iPhone 11 Pro and I'm so excited because my current phone is the iPhone 10. I do like to wait a couple years in between upgrading because it is so expensive, and honestly this does me just fine, but I love making videos about Apple products and all that fun stuff. So I decided to splurge this year and get a new iPhone because there's a third camera lens. It's like literally so insane and I'm so excited to unbox it. But yeah, so my previous iPhone is just the iPhone 10. I had it in the silver version and I'll just be giving this to my mom so she can have a new iPhone. I really liked it, you know, it was the first generation without a home button. It was just really pretty revolutionary and I loved it and it treated me well. It's just the 200. So pretty. Hello, and the new different thing is that the back doesn't have a plastic on it, so it's just kind of like a free back, which is insane. Some ASMR for you. Hey everyone, I just wanted to jump in also to say that because today is September 20th, literally the Nintendo Switch Lite and the iPhone came out. So I'm doing an unboxing of the Nintendo Switch Lite on my gaming channel. So if you'd like to see that video, which I would love for you to go watch it please. That'll be linked in the description and in the end card. So if you want to know what this guy looks like, go over there. Bye. I'm so excited to check this guy out. It's totally insane. I literally ordered my case for it as soon as possible, but it's still not here yet. Obviously it came out today, so it's like, okay guys, so literally once I pushed the stop record button, I heard my dog barking outside, so I was like, oh my gosh, that has to be the mailman because he always barks to the mailman, which is great because I always know when the mail's here. But my case was here, delivered right now, so perfect timing. Ooh. So, very excited. That's good. Caseify. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Thanks a million for choosing us. Oh, it's literally so cute and perfect and I love it and it's gorgeous, and the bumper is colored now because previously it was just kind of like a clear that eventually, you know, time does yellow, which I don't really mind. It looks normal, you know. But look at this babe. Okay, so here we go. Beautiful backing, gorgeous, but gotta be safe. You know, this is an investment. You gotta keep your investment safe.
Hey there.
Hi. Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'm so happy, you guys. What? So convenient. And they do have, like, that bumper just looks amazing. I love it, dude. And so it has this ridge here that protects the screen, and with my experience in the past, it totally protected my screen. Like, I didn't need a screensaver. My screen did get scratched, but it didn't shatter, so I have the hiccups. Very happy about this. Ah! I don't even know words right now. I'm just so excited. I'm excited because my iPhone now is, it literally just popped up, set up new iPhone, set up your new iPhone. This will transfer your current settings. Oh, that's awesome. But I don't want to do that right now. Do I? I don't know what to do, guys. Anyways, what am I saying? I like this iPhone. It was a great iPhone. In, say, a non-perfect world where I had to be stuck with this, you know, I wouldn't be miserable. I would get rid of some of my photos because I have like a million photos. Let's see how many photos I have. 57,653 photos, so I mean, it's kind of a lot, but they all fit on here, so I need to back them up anyway, so this is a great time to back them up. But I'm just so excited. I'm so excited to test out the new cameras, everything about it. What? Did it just die? What just happened? Hello! Good thing I have like a massive charger cable for my studio. It just like can fit in any direction. I think it literally is just dead now. Hello? What? Oh my god! I thought it came with like enough charge to set it up out of the box, but it looks like we have to charge it. So we'll get into the box. You know, we have the basic little pamphlet that comes in every Apple product, and we get AirPods. Just kidding, we do not get AirPods. Oh, thank you for turning on. Ooh, so we do get the fast charging brick, which is revolutionary because it's not that like tiny little stupid brick that we always used to get. Oh my gosh, and so it's a USB-C. That's good to know because most people would think, oh, I can just use this as like a car charger, USB. No. You cannot because it's USB-C now, but I'm sure we all have our standard car chargers, and that's it. I love this black box. Looks very sleek and nice, and it kind of just is like a little coffin. Hopefully I didn't show you my serial number. Is that bad? I don't know. But we got some wired headphones, classic little lightning connector cable in there, which kind of feels a little retro. Just kidding, but like it does feel a little old school to have wired headphones. Literally like seeing someone with AirPods in, it's like kind of awkward because they look weird. They're like just like AirPods. I don't know, they're like cool, but some people it just looks weird. But not to like say anything about anyone, it just like, it's like, that's weird. But then when I see someone with string wired headphones, it's like also, that's weird. Everything's weird. We're like in a weird state right now where literally everything's weird. Anyway, so it's nice to have new charging stuff, even though I basically have a charger already. It's really nice that they didn't switch to USB-C, even though the iPad's USB-C, because I literally have so many phone chargers that I feel like it would be just a waste to do that. So now that it's turning back on, oh my gosh, it had power, so I don't know what happened. But as I hold it, I kind of do feel that weightiness with the lenses. So, I don't know, but I did order a case from Caseify. I love this company. They've worked with me in the past for the watch bands, but never the cases. So you know, this is a genuine review. No one's paying me, no one's ever paid me to talk about their cases. I bought it on my own, and I bought my new one on my own too. But it's just so nice because it has like this bumper and it really protects it, and it's not too invasive, and it's beautiful. And the new case I bought is also beautiful. And then this is my what is happening? My pop socket wallet, and it just has like all my personal information. Don't look at my credit card, please. And my pop socket, and it's just a little sunflower. So revolutionary. So I can't wait for my new case to come in because your girl is scared to leave the house with this now because it's just a little baby. But yeah, let's go into setup mode. Do English, United States, quick start. If you have iPhone or an iPad running iOS or later, bring it aside. I guess I want to do this. I want to make it easy. Continue connecting. Oh, so this is like the whole scanning thing that we saw last year. Set up new iPhone with my Apple ID. Finishing the new setup. Enter passcode of the other iPhone. Hopefully you can't tell what my passcode is just by me tapping on it. Setting up your iPhone. That's mine. It's my iPhone. I'm so excited. Setting up your iPhone. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone, which I was looking at some other videos previously talking about the new iOS firmware, and basically they're saying how you could completely transfer over your data and your pictures and everything from your old iPhone wirelessly. I'm not sure, but that's so insane. And also I wouldn't want to do it for mine because I have so many pictures that I feel like it would just be not practical. But if you're just like a very easy light user, even if you have like a 64 gig phone, then I feel like it's pretty easy. Where was I? Face ID. Oh, we have to do a new Face ID. That's kind of cool. Get started. First, Face ID scan complete. Second Face ID scan complete. And so with the new iPhone, it's so exciting because you're gonna be able to unlock your phone from more angles than previously available, because especially if it's docked on my like phone holder in my car and I'm driving and I see a notification pop up and you just wanna glance at it, just want everything to work so seamlessly, and now it will. Face ID is now set up. Transfer data from my iPhone. Weird. If you're moving from old iPhone, you can transfer all of the data and settings directly to this iPhone. Keep your old iPhone nearby, connected to power until the transfer is complete. Estimated transfer time, 1 hour and 45 minutes. I honestly thought it would be like 2 days because I'm filming this video. If I wasn't, I would just do that right now. But because I want to get into really talking about the iPhone and seeing all it can do, I'll probably skip this and just do it manually, maybe another time. All of this just boring stuff. Boring, boring, boring. Let's get to the cool stuff. Dark mode. Okay, so literally all the apps have this dark mode now, and it basically just makes everything less bright, which is really nice because especially in the Cinemark app, if you turn it on, it makes everything dim and it's like an easier appearance. So we're definitely turning dark mode on, which I don't know. I guess it feels right, you know, you gotta use all the new stuff. Go home, swipe up from the bottom edge at any time to go home. Switch between yours and apps. Okay, we get it, Apple. I had the iPhone 10, I realized this. Just kidding. Ask Siri, press and hold side buttons to talk to Siri anytime. Welcome to iPhone. Swipe up to get started. Here we are. So I don't think it really transferred my apps because, oh, I'm getting updates already. Everything's happening. Literally right now on my home screen, I have like no apps available because they all got offloaded because I literally have no space and it's so miserable. But I'm so excited because now I have a 512 gig iPhone. I can fit everything. I can fit more photos. I'll back up these photos so they're safe. I am so excited. And I have a new dash cam in my car, so it'll be able to connect to this easier because I couldn't connect to this because I literally couldn't even download the app. I don't know if I like dark mode actually. I kind of skeptical. I think it's nice that you can like switch between it pretty easily, but oh, this is gross. Okay, this is just my opinion. And obviously I'll have a case on eventually, but right now, just like holding my fingers across the back, the Apple logo, as fancy as it is now that it's like completely centered and no text, it's just like, bam, I'm the iPhone. It is like mirrored instead of like the soft backing. So when you feel it, it kind of drags your finger, like you get stuck on it, and that is not appealing, and then it gets smudgy. I kind of wish they would have just left it alone, just like a blank slate, soft material, because like you just rest your finger there and you just feel it and it's like gross. But obviously I really shouldn't complain because I'm getting a case and a pop socket, so it's like not a big deal. I hate iCloud, so we're gonna turn that off immediately. But what are we doing? What are we doing? I got a new iPhone. What do I do with it? Help. Okay, so what I was trying to say is that I have iOS 13 now, which is really exciting because every time there's a new firmware update to a new iOS, it's just like amazing. It completely transforms your phone. Like especially with this one, it would feel like a brand new iPhone just because the firmware is updated because there's so many new features. It's so amazing. I think Find My, it's the new app. It's why would you turn on right now? Talking to the air conditioner. Okay, I'm back. Did the color change? Probably. Anyways, so some new iOS 13 updates that are just amazing is the keyboard is now like a Swift key where you can just drag and make the letters touch each other. What is it called? Quick Path keyboard, and some other new updates. I'm just reading them off my old iPhone. Wow, so primitive. A new photo editing tools, and you can flip around videos in like their orientation and their crop because I would always have to download a third-party app to do that, and now you can just do that. Dark mode, obviously a really big one. Face ID is much better. iOS 13 improves battery life, so even on this old phone, it would help the battery life. Reminders gets a huge and useful overhaul, which is great because I never use that app, so now maybe it'll be more useful because I literally write down everything on a sticky note so I will actually remember. There's a lot of new camera features. Obviously, the third camera is insane. You could do wide, angled, what is it called? And Memoji is updated because I love Memoji. It's really cute. Doesn't look exactly like me, but it's cute enough. So let's test out this new camera. So I hate that it's not updated to my specific settings. I don't like dark mode. It's like too dark for me. I know it's hard to see stuff. Is that stupid to say? Like it just, there we go. My brightness was like all the way down too. This is so weird. I'm like upset, but I shouldn't be. I'm just freaking out. So, okay, so happy guys. I don't even know what to say. Was this a good video? Should I even upload this? I don't know. I was just so stoked to get a new iPhone because I haven't had one in so long, and the new one just seemed like the perfect time to get a new iPhone. And like video recording on everything will be so awesome on this. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for your support. It means a lot. You know, I do a lot of work and I work really hard, and my light just died. Wow, thanks light. You the real MVP. I just wanted to get my outro done. done. Okay, got a different light. The lighting's completely different now. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe. But more importantly, leave a comment below. It really helps me out with the algorithm and everything because YouTube thinks that you actually enjoyed this video enough to leave a comment. So leave a comment about what kind of iPhone you have, what phone you have, if you think the iPhone's like kind of boring this year or if it's too expensive. I really want to know your guys' opinion because I think you're really dope. If you're watching my video, you must be really cool. Anyway guys, I love you. Be sure to check out my Instagram for pictures using this new iPhone. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.